then you might want to do is you place it here. Make sure every part is clean. You place it right there. Make a match. There. That's how you have it. Oh yeah, guys, I'm going to make a part 2 version of this. So, wait. So, that's it. I'm just gonna cut them out. And it's done. Wait for a second. So yeah, guys. I already cut it out, as you can see. Now I'm just gonna place it down again. Just do it like that. Darn it. There, as you can see. There. Now all you just gotta do is put it there. There you have it. Alright guys, I'm going to make a part number 2 for this.